Hi everyone, welcome to another lecture on XHTML and CSS. In this amazing lecture, I'm going to show you one of the most exciting features that you can apply to your website when you know XHTML and CSS code, which is embedding already existing code that you find out there on other websites that provide you with that code, such as Facebook, Twitter. They will provide you with widgets. YouTube will provide you a chunk of code that you can embed on your website so you can present to your users whatever video you want from YouTube. You can also embed code from Google Maps so you can show a map, whatever map you want, in your website. I'm going to show you how to do all that. And this is why web development is so cool and amazing. You can basically grab anything already created and existing on the web and put it on your website just by grabbing the code that other website provides to you. Okay? So usually these websites are the popular websites. They have things like widgets that you can grab and embed on your website. They provide you with videos, maps, they provide you with photos, they provide you with feedbacks, they provide you with newsfeed. Even Facebook provides you with a lot of features you can include on your website directly from Facebook, okay? So I'm going to go through some of these features and show you how to do it and how to implement and embed it in your website or in our website that we created. So let's go to our website and open it. And let's open index.html and let's take out let's delete the form. So inside the container, let's say I want to embed here a video from YouTube. So let's search for a cool video so we can embed it and put it on our website inside the container. So here I am in YouTube, and here's a cool video from Salman Khan from Khan Academy, and let me just save down here the code that is provided for you to grab and copy paste it in your website. So if you go down here and click share, you'll have here a link set that says embed. So please click there, and it will provide you with a code that you can copy and paste it on your website code. So let's paste it here. Okay. And as you can see, this is an iframe, which is basically a section with a width and height. And then the source goes to the URL of YouTube, embed, and then a code which tell us the ID of the video, the unique ID of the video on YouTube. And with this line of code, you will be able to see the video in your own website. So let's check this out and see if it works. Let's run this in Chrome. Okay, here it is. And as you see, we have the video in our website right now. Okay, how amazing is that? And this is how we can embed a video, whatever video you want from YouTube, on our website, okay? Or in whatever page of our website you want. So this is our main page, and we have the video. What we can do is center the video a little bit more. So let's go back here. Let's go to style.css, and in container, let's go down here. We can type here text align center, and what this will do is align all the elements inside the container and center them. Okay, so we have the video here ready to see. Let's play the video and see if it works. Okay, awesome. Everything is working perfectly, And now you can put any video on your website. Now you know how to embed a video from YouTube on your website, okay? Simple as that. Just copy paste the code that YouTube provides. You can even change the width and height, as you can see here, for the video that you have on your web page, okay? Now I'm going to show you how to implement, instead of a YouTube video, how to implement a Google map. It is very, very similar, the technique. So we just have to grab code that Google provides and copy paste it here inside a container. So let's take this video out from YouTube. Let's go to Google, and here I'm going to search for Google Maps. Here I have Google Maps, and let's type, for example, California. Okay, so let's grab this map and put it on our website. So if you go here and click this button here which says link, click it, and then you have a short URL, and then you have an iframe, just as YouTube videos, that you can copy all this. It's very extensive, and copy this, and let's go back to our container and paste it here. Awesome. Okay, save it, and let's run this in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, now you can see how easy it is to implement any type of video map. And now I'm going to show you how to implement widgets, let's say from Twitter. Now let's go to Twitter, and get in. If you go to this URL, which says dev.twitter.com/docs embedded tweets, this will show you how to embed any tweets you want, and even the timeline, I think, of all the tweets in your own website. Okay, so you can read this, and this will teach you how to do that. I think it's very, very simple and very similar to the technique we used for putting YouTube videos and Google Maps on our website. Okay, so there are a lot of popular websites that provide you with all the manual you need to embed anything you want into your website. Okay, so this is all, and see you guys in the next chapter. Bye.